Breaking coronavirus news, the Biden administration will recommend that most Americans get a third dose of the COVID vaccine. That's coming from the Associated Press. The administration says the third shot should be given 8 months after someone got their second dose. So if you were one of the first people to get the shot back in January, you would be eligible to get a booster next month.
The health department says the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office is ground zero for a COVID-19 outbreak. Right now, at least 103 law enforcement employees in our area have tested positive for COVID-19 or are in quarantine. Earlier tonight, NBC2's Gage Goulding investigated what this surge means for your safety.
Those numbers are skyrocketing.
The numbers aren't arrests, but rather police officers out because of COVID concerns. In Northport, they have about 15 officers and administrative staff that have tested positive or in quarantine due to exposure.
A month or so ago, I don't know that we had anyone.
Northport isn't alone. Other departments are seeing impacts of the pandemic even worse. In Charlotte County, the Sheriff's Office is reporting 28 COVID-19 cases, 8 of those coming from today alone. At the Collier County Sheriff's Office, 62 employees are either sick or quarantined. And just today, the Lee County Sheriff's Office announced the death of Deputy First Class Stephen Mazzota, an 18-year veteran corrections officer. Mazzota died from medical complications from COVID-19.
I think that is the concern. It is simply put.
While all the departments we spoke with say they are not facing staffing issues yet.
I think there's a concern always that this would impact that.
In Northport, they're re-implementing precautions to avoid that from happening.
Any vehicle after it's had someone transport in it is being fogged with a chemical that basically kills the virus.
In the cruisers, officers and arrestees are masking up. Plus, masks are mandatory inside the station. But the reality is, law enforcement officers aren't always catching the virus from the criminals.
It's not always, that arrest or that situation. It's just people living their daily lives.
Meaning officers are doing double duty when it comes to dodging the virus. I'm reporting in Northport tonight. Gage Goulding, NBC2.